Shane McCusker, you were talking earlier at the Discover Sourcing conference on sourcing as a business development tool. Could you give us a very brief run through what you're talking about and what the sort of core message was?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, a lot of people talk about social recruiting techniques from a view of sourcing candidates, and from an agency recruiter's point of view, that's only half the battle. So you can use sourcing techniques in all sorts of interesting and clever ways to get vacancies on board and to get work, and you can use it to get work exclusively. So if you've got a valuable candidate, then you can find multiple places that will employ that candidate. So it's all about using sourcing technique to work in a smarter, more effective way to make more money and make more placements.
And can you give us an example of how that works for you?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I set the challenge to think of if you want to discover a vacancy that is unique to you, that you can fill, that nobody else knows about, then ask the question, how do you do it? You've already got lots of information internal to your organisation and external. So internal information may be a candidate tells you they're looking for a new job, they've got a rare skill set, they ask you to find it. Well, whenever they move, what's their employer going to do? Are they going to be replaced? Is somebody else going to be internally promoted? Does that create opportunity? And so if you consider that the information you're given from a candidate asking you to help them find a vacancy can also be used for you to do business development, how do you manage that information to get more value from it? From an external point of view, I was talking about some of the clever little things you can do in terms of sourcing external information that point to that. How you can, I was given some tips. I'm not going to say it in your video. We'll save it for a nugget on my website at some point in my blog page. How to set up alerts so that the internet tells you when somebody changes job and creates these opportunities and rare skill sets. And then I was also talking a little bit about marketing and being able to get market intelligence using internet sourcing techniques to find out large pools of people, creating mailing lists and other ways of using stuff. And I also talked a little bit about LinkedIn.
Great. Shane, thank you very much.
Thank you.